She's gonna get mad at the... Okay. She's pissed off at the puppy. She was in the basket. The puppy tried to get in with her. There she goes to bed too. Before she got in the room, she stopped and gave us a dirty look. Oh, the puppy's trying to go in there. She's gonna lose it. Oh, the puppy can't find her because she's on the bed. Tucky, come here. Dixie. Me too. Dixie had to come out because exhausted. Tucky's exhausted. Oh jeez. Okay, I'm gonna stop.